What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back at the Nike Clearance Center out of Santa Clarita. Those of you guys that are new to my channel, the Nike Clearance Center is a special kind of Nike outlet where they only have clearance items. They haven't had any sales recently, but the great thing is they don't price anything over $100, which is pretty dope. But yeah, they also don't take any returns either. So there's some good things about it, bad things about it. Let's go see if there's anything dope today. All right, this place is going back to closing at 8 o'clock, which is freaking awesome. That's the first time I've ever seen that. All right, let's see what we can find, you guys. See what we can find. Starting out with my size 10. See if we find anything dope. I was like, hey, these shocks are cool. Yeah, size 12. Size 12 going for 80 bucks. Rest of the stuff is size 10.5. Dude, got the Air Max 720s going for 80 bucks. Dang, the LeBron Soldier 13s. Obviously, the new ones are coming out. I don't know if they're out yet, but they are on their way out. $60, you guys, 60 bucks. These would normally go for $140 when they first came out, so that's a steal. Terra Go for you people that do live in the ACG type of environment. 50 bucks, pretty dope. Normally $150. Ooh, these, I've never seen these before. Zoom Bruins, 40 bucks for these, not too. We've seen these here, the drop types, going for $40. We saw these at the regular clearance center for like full price. I was like, what the heck? Oh, damn, they still have these here. They've had these here for a while. These are the KD's Planet of the Hoops. Pretty dope, 70 bucks. We're seeing the LeBron 17 lows. This is, I think, one of my favorite colorways, going for 80 bucks. The Flytraps, these are the Flytrap 3s, going for $40. Still in the size 10.5. The Be True Pegasus Turbo is going for 80. We are in the size 10 now. Still got these Zoom Rookies going for 100 bucks. Fear of God Mocs going for $80. I'm still waiting for these up tempos to go down in price. Still $70. The John Elliott's going for 100 bucks. I can't believe they got these here, man. They had these a year ago. It's been here for a year. $70 for these. Whoa, what is this? This is totally unexpected. Metcon 5 amps. It's like a, what is this? Sounds like Chinese ready? Or is this a post office? I have no clue. Well, that's pretty dope, you guys. It says Passport 2020 right there. That's pretty fly, man, because never seen these before. And it comes with the passport tag. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, is that a PG? Is this a PG collab or something? What's going on here? That's dope. That's dope, you guys. $60 for these things. Those probably got value. I have a feeling these got some value. You got the Air Force One utilities going for 70 bucks. One with the buckles on them. The leather's also kind of weird too. It's not really leather. It's kind of a stucco material or something. But yeah, go for 70 bucks. They just restocked all those, and yeah, the resellers were just checking them out, just hawking. And guess they got these in a few sizes. Got the Black History Month, you guys. Black History Month go for 40 bucks. Yeah, it was a while ago. They're penny 5s. These are dope, dude. Go for $70, not too bad. We are finding some dope stuff. Nothing worth getting too crazy over. See, these are significantly cheaper than the rest of the outlets. But most of the other ones going for like 80 or 90. Going for 50 bucks here. That's a hell of a steal. PG4s right there. All right, let's go see what's going on the size 11s. Resellers got a whole lot of stuff. Resellers got all kinds of stuff. All right, let's see what's going on the size 11s, you guys. You got these. These are the 720 818s going for 80 bucks. PG 3s. Oh, PG 2.5s. My bad. 2.5s. This is not a bad colorway. Size 11. So this probably is my size because these run so freaking tight. Yeah, these actually aren't bad. I just don't like the all white. But not bad, dude. I kind of like this silhouette. 40. Go for 50 bucks, you guys. 50 bucks. Not bad at all. Okay, what are these going for? These might be a little interesting. 100 bucks for these. Pegasus Turbo 2s, not too bad. That's a Mars 270s, go for $70. Man, I swear I thought I saw some up tempos or some Air Max 2017s, but nah, Air Max flares. 70 bucks for these. Still got these here. The Racers go for 40 bucks. Epic Rec Finding 2s going for 70. Got some more Pegasus Turbo 2s. These are another Nike ID by somebody, by Salem. Okay, going for 100 bucks, size 11. Dang, the Zoom Flies going for 50 bucks. Man, I'm gonna have to pick one of these up. These are just way too comfy for 50 bucks, wow. Pegasus 35 turbos, we're on the size 12 now, 80 bucks. I like this colorway too, man. Man, I love these shoes, they're so comfy. More Zoom Flies, 50 bucks, that's a hell of a deal. Got more of these Zoom Bruins. Interesting. Is it a suede? It's like super, like the hardest suede I've ever seen in my life. 40 bucks for those. Oh, these tailwinds are pretty dope. Cream, no, it's a white color. It's like slightly off-white, $70 for these. More of these. Black and white look actually dope. The Soldiers going for $60. Oh, the Zoom Bruins, are these an NBA one? Oh, this is a Nike SB NBA one. I didn't know that. Okay. Squash type, what the heck? I was like, is this a dunk? No, it's not a dunk. 40 bucks, size 12. We are in the size 13. See what's going on with the Big Feet gang right here. Got the Vomeros here going for 40 bucks. The Vomero 14s. That's a hell of a deal, 40 bucks. Wow. So 12 and a half. The Cruise Roans. Kind of looking for these for my kid, dude. $70 for these. That's a 12 and a half. Saw these Hyper Dunks last week. Oh, 130. Oh, is this the one that we checked? It was $59.99 last time we checked. Yeah, Tailwinds going for 80 right here. So you got the Air Posits going for 100 bucks. Still size 13s. Still got these Mocks. The Fear God Mocks going for $80. Pegasus Turbo 2s going for 40 bucks. Size 14. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Pegasus 37s going for $25. That is a size 15 though, kind of huge. Zoom Freak ones. I don't know why they thought these were PGs. Going for 50 bucks. That is a size 13, so not too crazy. All right, we are seeing some deals. Yeah, so I'm seeing some deals in the size 13s. Yeah, there's that big sign in the front that says all sales final too. Reminds us of that. They got the Mocha 3s on, you guys. Jordan 3 Mochas. Got them here for I think 70 bucks a while back. I wish I bought like 3 of them and tripled up, you guys. Just wearing brown. That's it. And the size 9, 9.5s. Yeah, this is where it starts getting really hard to find stuff, but it's not like we found anything crazy yet. So yeah, well, let's see what's up. 0.3s. How come I've seen nobody wear these? Like ever. $60 for these. Oh, some Air Max 95s go for 80 bucks. That's not too bad. You got these Metcons. Oh my goodness. Like a Michigan colorway of the Metcons. That's kind of like greenish yellow. I don't know. But yeah, $30. $30. And these are flying it too. That's dope. These other Metcons, these are the React Metcons because they don't have any laces. Go for $70. Tailwinds go for $80. Different color, go for $70. Got some Jordan fadeaways, I guess. $40 for these. Not too bad. If you need a budget, Jordan, 40 bucks, dude. More Jordan budgets, big funds going for 60. Right next to that, you got these PG4s, 50 bucks. Got the Air Force Ones. Some of you guys are gonna love those. These are the highs, kind of like the boots. 100 bucks for those bad boys. Normally 200. 720s going for 80. Got those LeBron still. Wow, got a lot of those. Size 9s. So you got these going for 70. LeBrons, what are these going for? 100 bucks for these still? Wow, that's surprising. The Untouchable Elites, the Vapor Untouchable Elites go for 100 bucks. I think these normally go for what, 200 or something? Janowski Mids, they're kind of like boots. I've never seen those. $60 for these, normally $135. Kind of seeing the same stuff. We're gonna go next door to the next aisle. We are checking out the size 8.5, and we're gonna go down. We'll see what we find. We got some Jordan UNCs, the Grind UNCs. Kind of interesting. Total UNC colorway. I don't know the price though. We know they're not going for retail. Still got these here, $70 for these, 8.5, the up-tempo 95s. Oh, that's the first time we've seen these here. We got the John Elliott, the pink ones, going for 100 bucks. Still in the 8.5s, got these PG4s. They go for 60 bucks right there. These are Nike ID, interesting colorway. I didn't say great, I said interesting. What's this? This is $35 for these drop types. Good to see that these are falling down because we've seen these for what, $20 at Foot Locker. 8.5, see a bunch of those LeBron 16 lows, man. That's a dope colorway. I'm surprised to see so many here. Zoom rookies, seen plenty of these. The Air Max Utilities, 80 bucks. Seen a bunch of these as well. Oh, these are back to 45. I'm so stupid. I should have bought these. I swear I saw these for 35 one time here. I should have asked if they had my size. That was dumb. We're in the size 8s right here. These Pegasus 37s for 50 bucks. Damn, that's really solid. Holy crap. I'm surprised to see that here. Size 8, Tailwinds, 80 bucks. These Air Max 95 size 8s go for $80. More of these. Still go for 70. The KD, Planet of the Hoops. P6000s going for 40. Still size 8. Pegasus Turbo 2s go for $40. Once it goes under size 8 here, they just clearance them out because they're trying to get rid of them. Yeah, got the Epic Rec Flyknit 2s. These are super good for running. Anything with full length React. The Flyknit upper on these, super comfortable. Yeah, they just run a little tight, so that's why I can't wear those. Pegasus 37 Fly E's, $25, you guys. Anything under size 8 here, man, they're priced to go. I'm just curious to see what these are going for. Soldiers, 60 bucks. I thought that'd be cheaper. Turbos, that's 8.5 in a women. So if some of you women want some Pegasus Turbos, man, $40, that's hella cheap. What's this? Size 6, that's a 7.5 in women's, $40 for these, not bad at all. Yeah, that's about it. Just got a bunch of generic stuff. All right, I'm gonna check the kids and check the clothes real quick. All right, I am checking for 5.5s for my kid real quick. Just ended up in the size 6, Air Max 98s, going for $70. That's not too bad. That's a pretty cool look, actually. Back to the 5.5s, going for 70 bucks. The Air Max Deluxe right here. Air Max Plus 5.5, going for 70. 70 bucks for these, the LeBrons, pretty dope. 720s, going for $70. 5.5, Air Max 95s, going for 50. That's a solid price. These Air Max 1s, okay, $40, holy guacamole. Soldiers, go for 70. Oh, Air Max 97s, I missed on these. Whoa, these are super bright with the glows. $70 for those. Have a Nike Days. Air Maxes, go for 40. Foam Posits, low posit ones, going for $80. These are all size 6s. All black Tailwinds, going for 60. Janowski Slips, going for $30 for kids. Spiz Ikes, size 6, going for $60. Got some crazy stuff here, you guys. I was super surprised to see these. I saw this when I walked in earlier, didn't show it to you guys yet. $59.99 for this jacket. Oh man, that is dope. Huge Laker sign on the back. You know, hey, everybody wants championship gear right now. That's just dope, you guys. I think they got a couple different sizes too. Yeah, XXL. They got. That's just dope, you guys. Do have a whole lot of $10 t-shirts, JDI t-shirts. Some weird funky camo Nike t-shirts, just different colors. Blue, Los Angeles. Oh, it's the Chargers one. Okay, Chargers gear all go for $10. Oh, okay, Nike football shirt thing, all $10. New Wave of York, that's kind of cool. The Jordan and Nike just hoodies as well as their jacket selections, just amazing right now, you guys. These normally go for 90, they're down to 30. These as well, normally 90 bucks, down to 30, dude. Those are just fly. I wonder if I should get this one for the giveaway winners. I don't know, I normally don't do white, but it says Flight all over it. It has that Jordan stripe on it and stuff. Man, these are just dope. Super dope. Those jackets go for 30 as well. Jordan hoodies go for $20. When have you ever seen that? Nike stuff go for 25. Oregon basketball go for 25. Pretty dope hoodie. What is this? Fleece Jordans? Dude, what's going on here? How much is this? Man, I don't want to have to buy another pair of shorts. I already got like these are only 20 bucks. $20. Dang, that's only $20, man. I think I got too many shorts right now though. And these are the fleece ones that I like, man. Dang. Dang, this is the one I wanted, you guys. This would be perfect, I think, for the Oregon 5s. $30. Normally $90. I wonder if I should get it. By the time the video comes out, the winners should have these prizes. I actually promised t-shirts, but I don't know. I didn't think t-shirts did enough. So yeah, I got a jacket. Got a double XL for that one. And then we got a small. It was actually an XL, but he wanted some for his kid, so hey, small jacket as well as a double XL jacket. Yeah, that's the giveaway, guys. All right, that's what we got, you guys.